Hey there, I'm going to try to remember to do it the whole thing sideways and see how it works on my video tomorrow. Tomorrow, getting my food ready for tomorrow, I'm going to take a serving of cabbage. Works out, this is the last serving of the cabbage. And I'm going to do, oh, wait, let me put this in. I want to finish off the grated Parmesan. So let's see how much there is in that. 3 grams, not even a full serving. That's all right. Then I'm going to do some sesame seeds. And I'm going to do the salad dressing that I have. It's that Skinny Girl poppy seed and Walden Farms honey mustard. I'm doing, this is wasn't a full 60. It's like one and a half servings of them. And I'm going to add some sriracha to it because you'll see what I'm going to do with this. So I'm going to go blue. Don't want to get too wild with it because then I'll be like, oh my gosh, why did I do that? All right. So I'm going to take that tomorrow. And where's my lunchbox? The lunchbox is over here. I bring it home when I come home to let the dogs out. And I set it down and I forget to empty it back out. So, put my cabbage down in there. And now I'm going to do 1 serving of the sugar-free Polynesian, which is 32 grams. Wait a minute, I'm going to do it with the other one. This has onion and mushrooms in it. So I'm going to save that for supper. Hang on. Alright, so this is just plain ground beef. So I'll do 32 grams of this Polynesian sauce. Okay. Then I'm going to do 1 serving of the coconut aminos. I'm so used to this being higher. Anyway, which that's 15 milliliters. Okay. So coconut aminos is it's like a replacement for soy. If you have soy issues, you can use coconut aminos instead of soy sauce. And then I'm going to use some sriracha with it. And of course, I got to have some sesame seeds. And I'm going to put on some of this no salt. Like I said, I got some stuff I got to start using up. A little bit of regular salt. I think it's about time I refill my salt thing. And I've always liked the Greek seasoning with my Asian stuff. So I'll put some Greek seasoning in there. And I'm going to put a little bit of this dehydrated garlic. Alright. Now that's enough of that stuff. So that's what I'm going to take to work tomorrow for lunch. And my eggs, this is 3 eggs, the muffins that I made this past weekend. So I'll put those in there. So that's my lunch and breakfast. And I'm going to take a big spoon because that's my favorite. And there we go. So we'll see how my coffee is in the morning. Okay, see you next time. Good morning. I heated my coffee up in the microwave for 3 minutes. See some chunks in there. Okay. See how this works. 3 minutes may not have been long enough. I forgot I'm not using room temperature water, but let's see. It's fine, it's good. Tastes exactly how it usually does, so there we go. There's my coffee. See you at lunch. Hey there. So, got another thrift store shirt. This is that sweater I got, and these are the jeans that I got. I like them. They're not skinny jeans. My coworkers are obsessed when they see me with like pleated pants. They're like, oh, those are too big. No, they're not. They fit real good right here. So anyway, this is another thrift store outfit. So another, I think 3, and this might have been $2.50, I don't know, but five-ish dollars for that. So yay. And coupled with my new jacket. Ka-chow, ka-chow. Whoop, whoop. Okay, I'm trying this side view. I don't like it because it's cutting off part of me and I don't know where to look. So I'm looking where I used to look for the camera and now I'm having to look over here. I don't like this side view, but I'm going to go with it at least, you know, to finish up this video. But for people who watch on your phone, I'm here for you. I like the phone up and down the other way. And for people who watch on the TV, sorry, I know you're going to have that little black line. But and when I watch it on my TV, it's the same way. But yeah, I just don't like this because I'm more interested in this whole section so I can hold my food and not have it up by my face. But anyway, so my breakfast is going to be these. Oh, wait, let me go microwave. Okay, so here I've got it. I microwaved it up and I'm going to add a little salt to it. And there we go. That's my breakfast today. Hello, I've got my lunch today. And we've got our spicy coleslaw. And then we've got, hang on, I've got my ground beef that I made up with all the Asian sauces that I made up at the beginning of the video. So let's see what we think. I poured some of the grease out so that way, you know, just a little bit of that rendered fat. I shouldn't say grease, that makes it sound like so. Ugh. But I poured out some of that rendered fat. So let's see what we think. That's good. And then my spicy coleslaw. Let's see how it tastes. I like it. It'll be a good combination together. I probably could just mix it together and it'd be really good. I might do that. We'll see. Okay, bye. Let me tell you, if I had a longer tongue, I'd have licked out that bowl. Gosh, dog, that was so good. I'm telling you, it was good. Utilize sauces, utilize your seasonings, and you'll feel like you got a whole new meal no matter, even if it is ground beef every day. Whew, man, I'm happy. I'm full. Life is good. Alrighty. We have mashed jicama, and we have ground beef with the onion and pepper blend. Hang on, I'm going to pour this out into the dog's broth. Okay, I poured it out. I'm going to just add just a little bit more onion. Just a little bit. A little bit of umami seasoning. And some of the freeze-dried garlic. And I'll put a little no salt in there just for some, because it's sitting out here. Some regular salt. Yeah, let's see how it tastes. All right, let me see. I went grocery shopping today. Hang on, let me show you. I got 3 of these big boys, the 10-pounders. I got 3 of those. I won't show you everything because I got toilet paper and all kinds of stuff. I got 3 bags of frozen mushrooms. I got 2 bags of these pepper and onion blend so I can make some of that stuff that I like. I got 2 bags of butternut squash. Anything else frozen? No, I think that's the only frozen things I got. I got 2 of these of 18-count eggs. 1 of these of eggs. I got 2 freeze-dried, sun-dried tomatoes. 2 of these. I wanted to try. I saw this. I'm like, I wonder what that is. So I bought it. It's cheese, something, bacon, pork belly. Oh, there's a little bit of sugar in it. But not enough that says that it's in there. But that might have been part of the curing for bacon. Who knows? I'm not going to cry about it. Oh, I got 2 of these packages of bacon pieces. I got 2 heads of cabbage. They didn't have any of the shredded cabbage because everybody's out shopping, you know. I got a package of this cheese, so I'll use that in my egg muffins this week. Got a package of radishes, and I got 5 packages of these turnips. And like I said, I got some toilet paper and other stuff, but yeah, so I got that stuff. So that's kind of my, you know, my Walmart shopping spree. Oh, hang on, I got this one and this one. So I got these. I really like these at work. So that, got some more dog treats. Good old Roy dog treats. And I picked up some ground ginger. And, oh, got some antacid. I don't use it and melatonin. I got this because when I use Pepto, it stops me up. And I don't like that constipation thing. But anyway, so yeah, that was my shopping list. So, oh, and I got the dogs. I never had these before, so I'll get them some Alpo bones. So, yeah. All right, so that's my shopping, what I got shopping today. Okay, bye. And here is my macros for the day and all of my nutrients and all that stuff. Have a good night, you guys.